All right, so we have already taken a look at how to find these magical number puzzle problems. We talked about a trick when dealing with a 2 or 3 digit number, but we don't know what the number is. And we, just to remind ourselves, said that if we have a 2-digit number, if we had the tens digit and the units digit together, t next to a u means multiplying. So this is not the number that you're looking for. How do we express the original number?
10t plus u.
All right, so our original number, I'm going to write this over here. So our original number is going to be equal to 10t plus u. So we need to remember that before we go anywhere else. If you remember that little piece of math magics, you're going to be fine. All right, so let's read the problem. When the 2 digits of a 2-digit number are reversed, the new number is 36 more than the original number. The units digit is twice the tens digit. What is the original number? Let's deal with the second sentence first, because that looks a lot easier, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the units digit is twice the tens digit. How do I turn that into an equation? Michael?
2u. Wait.
Well, what's bigger? Is the units digit bigger or is the tens digit
Yeah,
bigger?
I tried to mix it around. So it's a 2t.
So 2t is equal to u because the units digit is larger.
Yes.
Okay. So now we have to tackle that first sentence, and it's pretty ugly. So if our original number is 10t plus u, what's our reversed number going to be? 10u plus t. So the reversed is going to be 10u plus t. So we have the original number in an expression. We have the new number in an expression. Now let's write a number sentence that goes with our first English sentence. So the new number, once it's been reversed, is 36 more than the original. So what that is saying is that my original number, here's my reversed number. Which one's bigger, the reversed or the original? The reversed is bigger. So I want the original plus 36, and that's going to equal my reversed, right? That's not too tough to deal with. Right, now we need to substitute the expressions. We can't have an O and an R and then a T and a U. That's just not going to work. So what's another way to say our original number? So we have 10t plus u, and that's, again, our original number, plus 36. And what's our reversed number?
10u plus t.
10u plus t. Excellent. So right now, I want you to simplify that. Simplify it. So to simplify it, we want the t's and the u's together. So we are going to subtract 10u, and I'm also going to subtract t from both sides. Subtract 10u. Sorry. Subtract t, I'm sorry about that. And that's where the t is, and subtract 10u. So 10t minus t is going to be equal to 9t. U minus 10u is going to be negative u plus 36 is equal to, and that's going to get me a 0. This isn't in standard form, so I'm going to then subtract 36 from both sides. So my equation is going to be 9t minus 9u is equal to negative 36. All right, stand up. stand up if you have successfully transformed this equation into an equivalent, simpler form.
Can't you divide by 9?
Good.
Wait, I don't have
What one astute student noticed was 9 can be divided out because all of them have 9 or a
I know, I'm adjusting.
multiple of 9. So when I divide everything by 9, I'm going to end up with t minus u is equal to negative 4. Okay. All right. So we end up with t minus u is equal to negative 4. Most people would probably end up here where we have 9t minus 9u is equal to negative 36. But what do you notice about 9t, negative 9u, and negative 36? They all can be divided by 9. So here's my simplest form. So now what will I do next to get at least one of the 2 digits so that I know what my magic number is?
I got it so that it was t plus 4 equals u, and then plugged that into the 2t equals u, and so it was 2t equals t plus 4.
Okay, so u is equal to 2t, so we can substitute 2t in for u?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have t minus 2t is equal to negative 4. What next?
Well, then
T minus 2t is negative t is equal to negative 4. I don't have the t by itself yet, so now what do I do? Divide by negative 1, divided by negative 1, and I get t is equal to... So if t is equal to 4, my tens digit is going to be a 4. If my units digit is twice the tens digit, what is my my units digit? My magic number is 48.